H and L, right? It will go to the FIC in the stripper column.
Yes,
Because it is cascading to the flow control.
correct. So now I want to go for HAJOP. In HAJOP, it is saying that malfunction LIC 040903 control loop failure. Right?
Okay.
So,
then we will say the control valve there is open, right?
Yeah. No, this is closed for high level. This is high level, no?
Correct. Sorry, close. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll copy this one. We say malfunction not control loop. Only closed.
Malfunction fully closed control valve.
Only closed. And what will happen? This will leading to trip, right? Because if you don't take action, this will trip.
Yeah.
So operator has to investigate the high level. High oil level in the second separator and take corrective action to prevent tripping, So what is response time? I want to understand what is response time here.
Response time from high to high oil side.
Yeah, high to high oil side before tripping or till tripping.
1.7.
We have we have 0 to 5.
0 to 5, huh?
Yeah, we have immediate here.
Oh, 0 to 5. 0 to 5 is that means you don't have much space inventory available.
Yeah.
The process safety, and this is A, and this is low we are considering, and 0 to 5 is immediate.
It's immediate, yeah. So it will end up P2. It's a P2, low and
yes, P2.
To LAHH, yeah. So that we just copy this one.
Yeah. LAHH.
40905. You have it there. Yeah. No, LAHH. Yeah.
This one. Okay. So this is Y.
Yeah.
This is lead. This is a malfunction. Copy it.